Hey there! Welcome back to the Honest Review Hub. Looking to beef up your home security without getting bogged down by monthly fees? I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 3 standout security cameras that offer top-notch features and 0 subscription costs. Let's get into it. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, we have the Eufy S220 SoloCam. If you're after crystal clear footage, this camera's 2K video resolution is hard to beat. With a wide 135-degree field of view, it captures everything happening around your home. One of the coolest features? It packs 8 GB of built-in storage, so you don't need to worry about paying for cloud storage. Eufy is a name you can trust in home security, and this camera's top ratings prove it's a solid investment. Next, let's talk about the Tapo Mini Smart Security Camera. This one's perfect if you're on a budget but still want essential features. It offers 1080p HD recording, night vision, and even two-way audio. You can set custom activity zones to keep an eye on specific areas. And the privacy mode is a thoughtful touch, letting you disable recording whenever you want. It's small, it's affordable, and it gets the job done without any hidden costs. Finally, we've got the Yale Floodlight Camera. This camera isn't just about surveillance, it's also about lighting up your space. With 2,000 lumens of floodlighting, it brightens the darkest corners of your property. The adjustable light settings and IP65 weatherproof rating mean it's as durable as it is functional. Like the Tapo Mini, it supports up to 256 GB of microSD storage, so there's no need for cloud subscriptions. It's a great option for those looking to combine security with outdoor lighting. So, there you have it. The Eufy S220 SoloCam for high-res, storage-rich security, the Tapo Mini for budget-friendly essential features, and the Yale Floodlight Camera for bright, all-weather protection. No subscriptions, no recurring costs, just peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on smart home tech. Catch you in the next video.